Hi boys and girls, today I'm coming to you from the music room at my house. And I'm going to show you an awesome website where there's lots of things for you to do. So whenever you need a break from reading, writing, math, all that kind of stuff, go on here and you can still show your parents you're learning. So parents, you need to type in Musicplay online and you'll get a link showing up. It looks like this. You just open it up, it should take you right to the website. It's free right now. We have a subscription as well, so once it's no longer free, your kids will still have access to this. There's lots here to do, kids. Your first assignment is just to get to this website and have some fun exploring what's all here. I'm just going to show you here are games. Okay, there's also a search engine here, so if you're looking for a certain song that we've sung in class that you remember me showing you, you can do that. And you can type it in, like Welcome to Bermuda. Remember that one was kids loved last year. And if you scroll down here, here's the video. You might want to turn it here to the lyrics, I find. It's a little bit better. Okay, so have fun finding songs, playing games, or working with a ukulele, guitar, or recorder over here too, if you've got those instruments at your house. Okay, have fun, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.